Hi and welcome. If you want to build a professional website that will looks great and that will works properly for literally any of your purposes that can appear in your life, and you finding and you searching for the platform that you can build it on, we want to show you today. I want to show you the Wix platform and how to build a website step by step tutorial of all the editing features that you need to know to build your own website. Before I've started to show you all the things of how to manage elements and strips and containers and so on, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and if you want to get access to Wix platform to build your own website with a big discount, check the link in the description panel of this video and get the platform with a discount. So let's jump to the dashboard. I want to make this video short and powerful to show you how you by your own can make a website. You just press on create a new site on the platform. When you're going to be on it, you need to log in first or to create a new account. And the platform itself will ask you what is the purpose of your web page. Is business, online store, photography, music, designer, restaurant, food, fitness, events, blog, beauty, and portfolio, and CV, and so on, and like others. Other tools. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, answering a couple simple questions that will take not much time. And you can create your website with an editor and choose template, and that's what I want to show you. If you're not finding the proper template, you can use just literally anyone, or you can be as specific as possible if you have physical business or virtual business online and you want to build something for it, and you know the type and style of this business, and you have a logo, for example, and you have things to manage and to apply. You can use the correct template and it will save you tons of time. For example, you have a yoga studio and there are templates for yoga studios, just changing the pictures, changing the text, and that's it. Your site is pretty ready. Okay, this is a dashboard. This is an editor of a website, and you see it's not scrolling. It's not scrolling. It's one page. And you have this horizontal menu. So let's start from the start. Settings is a definitely useful tool, because definitely you need to connect a domain if you own one, or you just starting and you don't have a domain. You can buy domain from the Wix straight from the platform. The favicon business info. You need to check all this before you go live. But I want to show you the editor, and very important thing is mobile version. You can switch to mobile. All the sites that build on Wix platform are mobile friendly, and it will display, your site will be displayed in any types of devices properly and correct, and so on. But definitely you need to check it before you go live with your web page, because tons of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices, from cell phones, from smartphones, from tablets, and so on. Okay, menus and pages. Here's the layout of all your of the whole web page, whole site. Modals. You see these modals are not public. All this about, apply, contact, and modals you see in this menu up here. You can preview this site. Models, it's built like that. About, actually I like to build the pages in one layout, so people don't need to travel to all those buttons. They just scrolling the website and sees all the things. In menus and pages, home, and for any of these pages you can press the three dots button and go to settings, because that's important. Page info, home, layouts, standard or no header and footers. I like to use the standard one because there's a navigation here, and if you have a tons of content to show and to apply to your website, definitely you need to use the standard with a header and footer. If you have, for example, big video to introduce and to show from the start, and you don't want these lines to be up and down on the top and on the bottom of your website, you can use no header and footer, but in most cases it's like standard thing. Permissions. Your site will be for everyone, for only password holders, and for members only. If, for example, you have some exclusive content to show or to share with your members, you can build even like closed up site. SEO. Definitely SEO is one of the most important things in the site building, because you definitely need your site to be visible to search engine machines, and you need to use the keywords and so on. Social share. Social share settings. Here you can upload an image of how your web page will be displayed. This picture will be showed if you want to share your link to Facebook or any other social platform, and so on. Okay, going next. Here's very interesting theme manager. You see, right now the colors ham is like that. I want to change this ham, for example, and you see the text is changing, the things are changing, and there are tons of pre-made templates that can be very handy, and you can change the color scheme of all your site just with one click, and all these palettes are tested and pre-made for any purposes that you're using. Let's leave it. No, I don't like this color. Okay, that looks pretty minimal and pretty great and cool. All right, the background. Here is the background of a whole web page. I will not change it to show you what does it mean, because to build your own site, actually you need, what do you need? You need the welcome strip or container or like space to welcome your visitors with a button. Actually, you need to apply the call to actions for entire page, because people who will visit your site need to know what they should do. What's the purpose? Just to discover your site? Okay. But if you're saying like see models, like in this case, yeah, like watch video or join us or buy now and so on and so on. It's very important. Like if you're selling some goods or things, definitely you need to use the call to action stuff on your call to action things on your web page. Okay, let's add some things here. You see the strip, the text image. Strip is a container, is a block, is a section of your site. I want to add this just to show you. One team, for example. 2 testimonials. 3 and I don't know, maybe some video strip. 4. Okay, now you see that there's a site background, yeah, the web page background. So any type of content, it's like layers in Photoshop. It will be like on the top of your background. All right, to reorder things, you need to press that button, like zoom out and reorder. You can change size of this block, for example, and you can move them up or down. You can move them up or down. For example, our brand story is here. let's make it on the top. Our team let be the second one, for example. Testimonials is the video. We're gonna change the video here. And this testimonials will be there. Okay, accident the mode. So I showed you how to change the background. Here in the settings you can also change the opacity, and your picture will be like that. You can add the parallax or freeze, and so on and so on. Let it be 100%. And this is some kind of modeling school, yeah. Let's change an image just to show you the options of images. If you want, you can upload your own media. If you have a cafe, for example, and then you make dishes, you can upload those photos, or you can explore it from media from Wix. There are tons of things right here. Let's type in model, for example. And okay, you see this girl is also pretty and cool. And here you go. It's on the spot. The picture's on the spot. Maybe this one. Just in seconds. Literally, just in seconds. And that's very cool. And you can apply video here also. But this is the page background, the whole page background. Yeah. And there's a strip. There's a strip. I added the strip here. And when you click in on it, you see all the features that you can make. Change strip background, background scroll effects, layout, and stretch it to, for example, it can be on the page like that. You see? Or it can be for the full screen. I like this way because it's like pretty modern, pretty cool. Change strip background, image, model. I don't know, for example, this one. Just to show you that this takes literally seconds, and you can change things like pretty fast and pretty easy, and it takes just seconds to change everything that you have. So literally everything that you want. And the very interesting and important things that you can move all your blocks, all your elements, you can move around to any layout that you want, because different platforms like they not allows you to move things as you want. They just drop it into some specific spot, and you cannot change that thing. All these things, this strip with a video, I want to change a video to show you just. And you can build entire page. You can build entire page on the media that gives you the Wix platform. And that's pretty fantastic. And that's pretty interesting, because if you don't have your own pre-made content for your like brand or for your business, you can use ready content from Wix platform or from Shutterstock and so on and so on. And you can change these things literally like within the seconds, and that's fantastic. And it gives you tons of options to optimize, and it gives you the list of pre-made things that you can apply to your web page. And it doesn't matter what type of a page you're building, like what is the purpose of your business and so on. That's why the Wix platform is a very, very powerful tool to build any type of landing pages or any type of big websites with tons of content, with tons of pictures to show, and this is just fantastic. Really, we build all our team build not one site on this platform, and we using it to build the sites for our clients. That's why we want to share it with you, and I want to remind you that we left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can get access to Wix platform with a big discount for our subscribers, for our friends. So jump into this fantastic and very powerful and convenient platform to build your own web page. I showed in this video how you can manage things, how you can change elements, and how you can move things around. So you just need to try, and you're gonna like it for sure, because this is very easy. It's user friendly, it's easy, and you will handle it for sure. So jump in. Don't forget to check the link in the description panel, and I hope this all makes sense. I hope this sounds correct and proper for you, and that was useful. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.